How to make coloring book in Canva. So hello everybody. In this video, let's make a coloring book. Easy, no design experience needed. So let's get ahead and get started. You may start by going to Canva, go to your browser, search for canva.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Now we can create up a design. We can click on create option in the top left and I got for the custom size. We can either choose up A4 size. If possible, you can just go and choose that option. Let's use this A4 portrait, or you can even use US letter 8.5 into 11. Now here we can just go and set up the page. It is important for coloring. So look out for the file option in the top left and look out for the option called view settings, this one right here. And within settings, you can turn on rulers, so show margins, and even that option for show rulers and guide. So you can look out for settings as well and look out for this option called show rulers and guide. And keep the white background as it is. Now we can add coloring images. So one of them is using Canva elements. You can just go and look out for elements option here. And within elements, we can search for keywords like coloring page, line art, etc. For example, coloring page and hit enter. And when you do, you will be finding different options available here. You can look out for the one. For example, something like this. We just head over and click on one of the simple images available from the graphic section, and we can stretch it out according to our own preference. So if you want to stretch it out, you can just go and set it up like this. And make sure it is outline only, no shedding. Now, this is one of the method and your coloring book is now ready. Or if not this, what we can do is we can use another option, which is going to apps option here. Click on apps and we can look out for this option called text to image. So type in text to image and hit enter. And when you do, you can just go and use prompt like simple black and white line of art, cute cat, etc. For example, let's say this one right here. And click on open and add it up. And there we can add in prompts. And again, go ahead and generate and choose the cleanest outline, perfect for your custom coloring books. And that's it. Once you've done that, you can just go and make it thick or thin according to your own preferences. You can use this ruler to rule out and make it according to your own size. And you can repeat for animals, flowers, mandala, kids, themes, etc. and add it up. If you want to download it, you can look out for the share option in the top and click on it and look out for this download option right here and choose PDF print and turn on crop marks and download it. And that way your coloring book is now ready. You can just go over and follow this method for that. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.